Your external SSD is showing in Finder, but you can't sync data from your MacBook Pro to it. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can follow. 1. Check SSD format compatibility. Ensure the SSD is formatted in a file system compatible with macOS, such as APFS, macOS Extended, or exFAT. To check, open Disk Utility, Applications, Utilities, Disk Utility. Select your SSD from the sidebar. Check the format under the File System column. If it's not compatible, you may need to reformat it, but note this will erase all data on the SSD. 2. Verify permissions. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to write to the SSD. Right-click the SSD in Finder, Get Info. Check the Sharing and Permissions section and ensure your user account has read and write access. 3. Check available space. Confirm the SSD has enough free space to accommodate the data you're trying.
Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles Repair Center is the premier high-tech lab in Rotorua, Bay of Plenty. Our facility has the latest industry-recommended tools and machines, ensuring swift and safe diagnosis and repair for all your tech needs. Subscribe to our channel for the latest tech and tips. Follow us on Facebook.